Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're back. It's Shauna and Jackson. We're here again to show you another craft. We're gonna make a cute little spring chick. You wanna show them what it looks like when it's done?
Yeah.
So cute.
And it has little feet.
Has little feet, he's right. So we're gonna get started. We have everything I think that we need right here all together. We start with a coaster. You can get this at Hobby Lobby. It comes in a set of 4. And we're gonna use Yellow Flame Apple Barrel Paint. And we're gonna paint the little...
Long words.
Yeah, it is. You're right. So I'm gonna put a little bit on this plate for you and use a foam brush and let him paint one side of this. So he's doing a good job. He's just giving this side a good coat of the yellow paint. That looks great. Very good. So we're just gonna let this dry and we're gonna put the face on after that. Our yellow paint dried and we are now gonna add some eyes to these little chicks. So we're gonna take Folk Art Pure Black Paint. Those noises, huh? Okay.
We're gonna use a different brush.
Yes, we are gonna use a different brush, you're right. We're gonna use a dauber. This comes in a set of 5 from Hobby Lobby. A little dauber. I like to use the smallest one to put on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put the paint on it, okay? You put a little bit of paint on and then I like to daub some of it off. And then you're just gonna put that right on the chick. 1, yep, very good. And put it close together. 1 more right there, perfect. So this is what it looks like after we just put the 2 little eyes on there. We're gonna let this dry. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the little white dot to the eye. Yep. So I use these acrylic, they're actually multi-surface
You can
paint
see it
pens.
closer when I come.
Yeah, he'll show you close up. So cute. So these are a paint pen set I got off of Amazon. Permanent paint pen, extra fine tip. We're just gonna take a white one and make 2 dots, 1 in each eye. Okay, very good. Very good. You wanna show them up close what it looks like? So that has to dry real quick. So we need to put the little beak on the chick, right?
Yep. And we're gonna use this.
An orange paint pen, you're right. So what I do is I just draw lightly with a pencil, a little upside down triangle.
So you can trace it.
Yep, exactly. So you can trace it. So let me make sure there's paint loaded onto this paint pen. And that came out of the same set as the white paint pen, the one I got on Amazon. There you go. And then you're just gonna trace that beak and color it in. That looks really good. Here's what it looks like up close. There you go, perfect. So that has to dry a little bit, and while that's drying, what's he missing? He's missing his little hair on top, and he's also
missing his feet.
So on this one, he's got feet, so he can stand up, or he also has a jute hanger on here. So you can hang him like on a doorknob or anywhere. So we're gonna paint these hearts right here orange, and the color that we have, can you read that?
Pure orange.
Pure orange, right. Folk Art Pure Orange. That's what we're gonna use for the feet. And what these are, you can get these at Hobby Lobby in a set. They come 12 pieces, these little hearts, wooden heart pieces. So we're just gonna paint 2 of these with that pure orange and let that dry, and we'll be right back. The eyes and the beak are dry, ready for the next step. And here's the 2 wooden hearts that we painted orange.
Or you don't have to put feet. It could just be done.
You're right, you don't have to put feet. Because we didn't have feet on yours for a while, did we?
Yeah.
Right. So this is a boa that I bought at Hobby Lobby, a feather boa. And what we're gonna do is we just cut a little piece off of this that goes on top with hot glue. cut a little piece off. Now these feathers do kind of go everywhere once you cut it, right?
So once you glue it, it doesn't do anything.
Right. There's some loose feathers that'll be right here like that. And then we take this little piece. I cut maybe like 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch off of that. And we're gonna hot glue it to the top right here. And we're gonna also hot glue our feet to the bottom. So I put a little bit of hot glue and glue these together first like this for the feet. And then I'll glue that to the bottom. But this is what ours looks like so far. We just hot glued the little hair, the little feathers on there. Looks super cute. You wanna show them what yours looks like with the hanger on the back?
You could do the feet if you want, or you can just leave it out. I do the feet, and you don't have to do the little hang thing if you don't want to.
So here we have it. Our little chick is done. His little feet are hot glued on there. His little feather up at the top. We're not gonna put a jute hanger on this one because he's gonna be a shelf sitter or for a tiered tray. But that's our completed project. Look at him. He's cute. We always like to put our initials on the back when we do something together.
It's
So
like
that way,
J-N.
yep,
like this.
J-N, Jackson Nani. So that
And
way,
it's like cursive.
yeah. So that way we do that with the years so we know when we made that project and we can look back on it from years to come and remember doing that together. All right, anything you want to say about that?
It was kind of complicated.
A little more complicated than maybe some of the
Because
other
you have to
ones we
buy, because you have to like buy stuff.
did. You do have to buy stuff for it, you're right. Well, thanks for tuning in with us today, guys, and watching our video and watching us make our crafts together. We'll see you next time. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.